In this video, you will learn how to fix Cash App won't let me order a card. If Cash App is not letting you order a card, try these steps. First, ensure that your Cash App account is fully verified. You'll need to provide some personal information such as your full name, date of birth and last 4 digits of your social security number to be eligible for ordering a card. Check for the app updates. Ensure you have the latest version of Cash App installed. Out-of-date apps may have bugs or issues that prevent you from ordering a card. Go to your app store and update the app if necessary. Then, make sure to confirm your linked address. Cash App account is correct and up to date. If your address is incorrect or incomplete, you may not be able to receive a card. For Android users, clear the app's cache. This might help resolve the issue. Go to the settings, apps, Cash App, storage, then clear cache. Try to reorder the card again. Sometimes, Cash App may restrict your account due to suspicious activity or any other issues. If there is a restriction on your account, you might not be able to order a card. Check for any notifications or messages from Cash App about your account status. If Cash App has experienced technical difficulties, it is always worth it ordering a card a few hours later and trying again. If you have tried all the above and still can't order a card, contact Cash App support directly. Go to your profile in the app, then click support and something else. Then click Cash Card and follow the prompts to reach for an assistant. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.